Welcome back again. He's on the bees. He's dropping his camera. Big tractor in the field next to it, spraying lot. Wow, so look at this bee activity. These bees are on it. I wonder what he's spraying. Hope it's nothing spraying that can hurt the bees. Oh, I can see a swarm on the fence. So we'll have to get them into that box over there. Look, there's a box up here. Why didn't they go in that empty hive? Look. See how big they are. Yeah, look. Swarming the fence, so we'll let them out before they move on. And try and figure out which hive they come from. This is crackers, look at this bee activity. Crazy. Crazy. So it's just a little swarm. I'll get a box, I'll trim some of this bush back, get a box and then bang them off there into the box. Whoa. Keep dropping my camera. Bringing pollen in. There's a lot of bees on there, we've got a swarm in there as well. No, looks like robbers. Cleaning the box. Look at these. All the bees are a bit aggressive, like, just at the minute. A lot of drones going back there, so this one's probably queen flighting. I think running that nuke. Drones out there. Lots of bees down there with pollen. So we'll have to knock them into this box for now. And then get them up to the other nuke yard. So I've knocked them into the box, so we'll just see. Looks like they're going into it. So yeah, anyway, I'll get the smoker lit and get on with these ones. See if I can see which one it come out of. Yeah, they're going in the box. So we'll figure out which one it come out of. We'll perhaps put it back with them. Yeah, they look like they're definitely in the box. So I just moved that hive because I took the lid off and I wanted to put the feeding shim on, and in the lid was a big ball of bees, and I found the queen. So the queen's in the clip now and she's in the hole in the feeder above the frames, so all the bees will be going in that, staying in there, mate, in the bag. I don't know if you'll pick it up on camera, if you can hear it. Hear the noise. A lot of that is amplified because of the drones. A lot of drone flight on this one. And a lot of drone flight on this one. And probably on them ones as well. Just makes it noisier. Okay, so I'm done. I've took a bit of honey off some of them. And also, like, took the outer frames out of the brood boxes, took them out and give them a couple of fresh frames. But yeah, because we don't want no more swarming like these little buggers. The bees are well, they're not massively aggressive, but they are a bit aggressive. Yeah, these safely to say we've got the queen because she's in the queen clip. See if I can do this without getting stongy woggy. Hang on. Get you to the fence. Don't take offence. Oh, they're all in the roof because the queen clip's in the roof. So but they'll figure it out. I'll come back up later and let her out tomorrow. They're going to bake there in the sun. Are you going to bake there in the sun, bees? Who knows? Anyway, I need to go fix my truck. You know.